All right, to enable Find My Device on Windows 11, we first go to Settings. I'll click the Start menu and go to Settings, or you can hold down the Windows key and press I on your keyboard. That also opens your settings. In Settings, we'll go to Privacy and Security on the left side, then go to Find My Device. Here, you first need to make sure Location Services is turned on. I, for example, don't have it enabled, so it says the device can't be located because Location Services is off. So we'll go ahead and turn Location Services on. This basically allows the computer to check your geographic location. Below the main Location Services toggle, you can also let specific apps access your location if you want. Now, let's go back to Privacy and Security, then Find My Device. And looks like it's actually enabled itself automatically now that our Location Services is enabled. That's really it. Once enabled, Windows can track the GPS or Wi-Fi location of your laptop or tablet if it's misplaced or stolen. If you need to track and locate your device after setting this up, you can go to account.microsoft.com/devices on any computer, phone, tablet, anything with an internet browser, really. Log in with your Microsoft account and you'll see a list of your devices. From there, just click Find My Device and it'll pull up the exact location of your computer. Generally speaking, it's really accurate, but I've noticed mine, for example, often shows my neighbor's house number when my computer is at my house. So, if it's giving you an exact address, take it more like an approximate guide rather than an exact, specific, true location. And that is how you use Find My Device and track your computer on Windows 11. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all.